This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the basic body and vocal readiness right. Stand with feet hip-width, shoulders relaxed, chin parallel. This aligns your breath. Once done, sip 500 to 750 ml water over 30 minutes to lubricate vocal folds. Next, do 3 to 5 minutes of warm-ups, hums, lip trills, gentle sirens, because they release tension and establish comfortable pitch range. Make sure to breathe diaphragmatically. That supports consistent tone and reduces strain as you move into technical drills. You now refine pitch, resonance, and tone with targeted exercises. Start pitch work by sliding in 1/2 step increments, up and down, finding a comfortable new center. Once you have a target pitch, focus resonance by pushing vibration forward into the mask, nose, and cheekbones to change perceived timbre. Then alter tone using breath pressure, syllable length, and clear vowel shapes. These change brightness and perceived size of the voice. Practice short phrases, then longer sentences, until the new pattern feels natural. You finish by integrating the new voice into real speech and checking for fatigue. Read aloud for 10 minutes using your target voice, then record 2 takes. Compare pitch, resonance, and pacing to spot inconsistencies. Once confident, practice in short sessions across contexts, phone, conversation, presentations, until transfer is automatic. If you feel strain, immediately reduce volume by 30 to 50%, rest for 10 to 20 minutes, and rehydrate. This troubleshooting step prevents injury while you build sustainable technique.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.